Minister Daryl Vaz slams Gleaner's reckless and false report on school bus import controversy. The controversy centers on El Hydro Limited, the company contracted by the Jamaican government to import 110 used school buses under a $1.4 billion initiative. The Gleaner reported on Sunday that the company was not certified by the Trade Board, and that the buses were imported without the required pre-shipment inspection certificates, which are mandated under the 2014 Motor Vehicle Import Policy. The Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunications, and Transport is not responsible for issuing import certifications or enforcing the Motor Vehicle Import Policy. Those functions fall under the Trade Board, which operates under the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Minister Vaz clarified. Vaz also clarified the $1.4 billion cost for the buses. The cost of the buses purchased by the ministry ranges from US $10,000 to US $20,000. Minister Vaz stated that the $1.4 billion expenditure includes more than just the cost of the individual buses from the U.S.
The $1.4 billion covers the cost of the buses, the inland transport to get them to the ports in Miami, sea freight from Miami to Kingston, the retrofitting of the doors, and also the refurbishing. It also covers 1 year maintenance, which is going to be done under the strictest conditions. It also is going to have the technology of a cashless system, fare collection system, and each bus is going to have 5 cameras. One for the driver, one to look at the kids, one for the geofencing, and all of those will be accessible by the schools. And last but not least, there's a duty component that we have to pay when the buses arrive here, which is factored in it as well.
You know, in Jamaica, they have a saying, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Well, in this case, after all the talk and all the negatives by the opposition, we have a school bus that has been operating in Portland for 9 weeks now. 9 weeks of uninterrupted service to the children. 2 trips in the morning, 2 trips in the evening, and sometimes a third, depending on whether it is necessary. Over 10,000 students in Portland have access and benefited from this one bus over the last 9 weeks. So we have not only the inspections that have been done, we have an actual bus to judge the performance, which has been exemplary. So again, I'm just not understanding why the opposition is hell-bent on trying to tear apart this transformative initiative, and I dare say one of the most transformative since independence. Long overdue, should have been done. Any self-respecting country must have a proper school bus system if it is that we are to give the kids the opportunity to maximize their potential.